Hey, what's up guys? Today's going to be a really quick video on just how to set up Storybook with an Angular project. So this video is assuming that you already have an Angular project set up and you just want to add Storybook onto it. So they do have a very detailed instructions on the Storybook website, but it's really just a simple command, which is npx -p at storybook/cli storybook init, and then specify the type of Angular. So what this is doing is running Storybook CLI as an npm, like a one-time npm script, as opposed to installing the Storybook CLI globally and then running this. So this is if you don't want to have to install this globally. So you can just run this command, and it will just add the required packages to your package.json file in your Angular project, and it will just run npm I to install all those. And then I think it will also add a storybook directory, where your Storybook configurations will be. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, or if you run into any problems, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll leave some references in the description.